Are you looking for the best cheap exercise bikes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best cheap exercise bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Cyclace Exercise Bike. The Cyclace is a sturdy, stable indoor bike built with a steel frame on a wide base that the company claims can support riders up to 330 pounds. This model features a longer seat post than the previous version that adjusts to accommodate riders from 5 feet to 1 inch to 6 feet to 5 inches. It also adjusts fore and aft to bring you closer to the handlebar. The 36-pound flywheel and belt drive system, as opposed to a chain, offer a smooth, quiet ride, and are adjustable via a knob below the handlebar. The handlebar has many hand position options and is height adjustable, allowing you to find a position that's comfortable so you can ride longer. A handlebar-mounted LCD monitor tracks your time, speed, distance, estimated calories burned, and odometer, lifetime miles ridden. A media stand puts your devices front and center for you to watch videos or listen to music as you ride. Number 2. Yosuda Indoor Cycling Bike. This budget-priced, belt-driven bike operates a 35-pound flywheel that provides a smooth and quiet ride. The resistance is adjustable via a knob regardless of pedaling speed. It also has an emergency brake that stops the flywheel immediately, if necessary. According to Yosuda, the seat height adjusts to fit riders with inseams from 25 to 35 inches, and allows riders to adjust the handlebar height as well as the fore-aft alignment of the padded saddle. Using the single-button monitor, you can scroll through your time, speed, distance, and calories burned as you exercise. Just below the monitor is a platform for a phone or tablet. The heavy-duty steel frame is designed to provide stability and durability, but it's easy to move if you tip it up onto the small wheels on the front edge. Number 3. Yesoul S3 Indoor Exercise Bike. Besides being designed to look like an entry-level Peloton, the Yesoul S3's biggest selling point is its Bluetooth connectivity, which pairs with the Yesoul Sports app, on both iOS and Android, and works with Zwift and other interactive training apps. All your workout data, including distance, time, calories burned, speed, heart rate, odometer, and cadence is tracked and easy to access. The bike has a quiet belt drive and magnetic resistance, with 100 levels that are easy to adjust by knob. With a height and distance adjustable seat and handlebar, the S3 is built to fit riders from 4 feet to 9 inches to 6 feet to 2 inches, though riders at the higher end of that range and those with disproportionately longer legs might find the riding position to feel a bit off. The bike is easy to move on 2 small transport wheels, and it comes in both white and black models for a sleek, Peloton-like aesthetic. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Indoor Bike. If you find the time passes more slowly with your data displayed right in your face, consider a monitorless model like this Sunny Health and Fitness Exercise Bike. With a heavy steel frame that supports riders weighing up to 275 pounds, the bike features a belt-driven 49-pound flywheel that has resistance that's adjustable by a knob mounted on the top tube. The belt drive system is quieter than a chain, requires less maintenance, and is more resistant to corrosion from sweat than a traditional chain. The nearly 20-pound difference in flywheel weight between this bike and the Yosuda above creates more inertia and is meant to increase real-world ride feel and a smoother pedal stroke. An emergency brake allows you to stop the pedals quickly, and pedal cages help keep your sneakers on the platforms for safety and efficient power output. The handlebar and seat adjust up and down, and you can position the seat more forward or back to your liking. Number 5. Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Exercise Bike. Looking for a cheap home exercise bike that will neither take over your space nor break the bank? When not in use, this compact device folds down to half its size and can be easily rolled into a closet or tucked under a bed. While it may have a minimalist design, it still has the basic functionality needed for a workout. It touts 12 levels of magnetic resistance, adjusted via a knob below the handlebar, that allows you to adjust the intensity as needed. The built-in LCD screen, although very basic, keeps track of key workout stats, including distance, time, speed, calories burned, and heart rate. Users love how quiet this bike is, making it perfect for multitasking or watching TV while riding. Though it may not provide the high resistance some hardcore riders seek, many praise it as a sturdy, well-built machine with a comfortable seat and great height adjustability.